Hi, I'm Brandy, and this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be just doing a brief walkthrough of my The Spirit Animal Oracle deck by Colette Baron-Reid. There's lots of reviews out there, but I thought I'd just do a quick one for my own channel. I first saw this deck on Amethyst Ascension, or Rachele's channel, and I fell in love with it, so I bought it. The spirit residing in the natural world have much to share, and the secrets of their forgotten language are now available to you. So then it's got this very nice booklet, quite large and thick, with like some pretty long descriptions on each animal, as well as some ideas for spreads. So basically, let's see what we got. How to work with the spirit animal, and it tells you you can do a 1-card read, which is just basically ask a question, flip the top card over. A 2-card read, the first position anchors us in the dominant thought or concept to pay attention to. The second position tells us what to do. 3-card read is pretty standard. This is one of my favorites. It's the 7-card new moon reading, and this is what each of the cards mean. So it's one of my favorite ones to do. But anyways, let's check out these cards. So you just pull it out like that. These are the backs. Very pretty. They're not coming out quite as green on my camera as they are in real life. They're quite greenish teal. And of course, these are not in order because I use them. So, Armadillo Spirit. I really like the sacred adornments and such that are on these cards. Giraffe Spirit. See the big picture. Panther Spirit. Reclaim your power. This one's really beautiful. Spider Spirit. I love this. Makes me think of Ariadne. Eagle Spirit. Beautiful. Frog Spirit. Moth Spirit. Dog Spirit. One of my very favorite animals. Be loyal to what you love. It's what dogs do best. Koala Spirit. Elephant Spirit, another favorite of mine. I love elephants. They are so cool. Learn from the past. Beaver Spirit. Swan Spirit. Wasp Spirit. Rhino Spirit. Very beautiful. Lizard Spirit. Squirrel Spirit. Grasshopper Spirit. Electric Eel Spirit. Skunk Spirit. Flamingo. Canary. Snake. Chameleon. Koi fish. Buffalo Spirit. It's very beautiful. Antelope. Bat. Sandpiper. Oh, bee. I love bees. Dove. Bee piece. Wombat. Parrot. Turkey. Give with gratitude and grace. I love turkeys. Cow. They made this one very, very beautiful. I love the flowers and I love the light. White Raven, Bobcat, Groundhog, Scarab, Starfish, Horse. I know a lot of people have profound connections with horses. Not me, but Ant, Hawk, Let Spirit Be Your Guide, Vulture. I love this one. Look at this. This is the Stag. Take the Lead. Look at that. Just so, so beautiful. Cat Spirit. These are thick cards. I feel like I always get two, but rarely do I get two. Rabbit Spirit. Otter Spirit. Dolphin Spirit. Badger. Whale. Growing up, I thought I was going to be a marine biologist. Deer Spirit. This is me. I'm a Leo. Lion Spirit. Be generous of spirit. I try very hard. Owl Spirit. Nightingale. Turtle. It's one of my very favorite. Slow and steady wins the race. Seahorse. Mouse. Dragonfly. Pig. Butterfly. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hummingbird. There's a beautiful Puerto Rican legend of the hummingbird. I just love it. Fox. I think of my son as a little fox. This bear. Brown bear. Look at her. She's so beautiful. Crow. Of course, beautiful, smart crow. Porcupine. Wolf. Coyote. And peacock. Beautiful, beautiful deck. One of my very, very favorites. Nice and thick, good quality paper, or cardstock, I'm sorry. A little bigger than my hand, so my hand from wrist to middle tip of my finger is 7.5 inches, so this is probably 7 or just under. So it's a nice size. I do love it, and I am very interested in working with more animal oracles. So if you guys know of any other animal oracles, I'm looking to get probably Stacy DeMarco's animal oracle, but I'm also open for new ideas. So if you know any aside from those two, please leave it in the comments below. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for joining me. This is the Spirit Animal Oracle. I love it. Highly recommend it. This is Colette Baron Reed, and it is Hay House, if I'm not mistaken. So they've been having a lot of sales lately, so I would watch out for a sale if you're wanting to get this. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Have a good night. Bye.